Okay, so hello everyone. Today I am going to show you like how you can push your code from your machine to your GitHub profile. Okay, so you don't have to do much. You just have to open PyCharm. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. You just have to wait. Okay, it's open now. Okay, so this is where I code actually, and not basic, but data structure, ये dictionary. So dictionary for example, last time हमने push जो किया था, let me check my GitHub. ये this one. My repo. Repository yesterday, last update yesterday था. Data structure method. This is dictionary and then list item. Okay. So there nothing much. So we have to basic here. So like print is hello world. So done. Okay. So हमने किया. हमें पहले करंट डायरेक्टरी में जाना पड़ेगा. तो cd space python underscore p for shortcut. Okay, so to push your code, first we have to add a code to our Git repository. So for that, there's one command called add, git add to git add dot. Dot basically is to push all the changes to the Git server. Then we have to commit that push to git commit -m. We can name anything to it underscore demo, then enter. So see, you can see there like one file changes. Okay, so that's it. And then now we just have to write git push. That's it. It will take hardly 1 to 2 seconds. Yeah, see, main to our main branch, we push a code successfully. So let's check it. Then, so first go back, loud, see demo. So if you click on that demo, so you can see there's a new line. So basically, the why it's highlighting as green color. So basically, whenever you add new line into the code, it will highlight as green. But if you change something into the code, like for example, if I say it like this list, okay, Control Z, items. See, I have changes something in the code. So let's again hit add. We have to name change to check whether it pushes or not. Nothing to commit working tree license. So basically, we didn't change anything. So item list item. Okay, हमने S हटा दिया basically. So again, add commit change. One file changes. Push. Okay, it's done. So basically, see. Wait. Changes. हो गया change. See now, as you can see, in the previous code there was items, but now it is saying it's items. So basically, that's the new change. And see, you can see the line we have changed is highlighted as red, but the string we have changed is highlighted red 2 times. Okay, you can see the. Okay, thank you. That's it for that video, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay.